Hi, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Indonesia. This is mie goreng by ABC. So let's get this show on the road, as they say. By the way, I want to say hi to Russia and Canada. And of course, Indonesia. I want to be derelict in duty. Get a lot of Canadians and Russians. There's a Russian channel called Oblomov. And they did a piece about what I do and took recommendations from me. They're gonna do another one at some point, but it's fun. They're good guys. They can do good stuff. Здравствуйте. I think that's how you say it. My sister taught me how to say hello in Russian a long time ago. I want to say when I was a kid back in the 80s. Remember the 80s? I like the 80s. I didn't then, but I do now. I kind of look back at the 80s and I think like, kind of startles me. Time for our quote of the day. Why don't we set the timer for 3 minutes before we go insane? From Momofuku Ueno Speaks, these are quotations from the man who invented instant noodles. All right. So number 223. The hands of the clock are not ticking time. They are ticking away the moments in your life. Wow. Momofuku. That's deep. And dark. That guy lived to be like, what, 95? You're just spouting off like, I don't know, kind of dark thoughts all the time. Your life essence is oozing away. So I've kind of taken on the philosophy that the worst thing you can, a version of suicide is the concept of killing time. Don't kill time, use it. I mean, I use every freaking second of the day as much as I can possibly do. It's like, this right here, it's planned. All of it's part of my master plan. Yeah, and yeah, if I'm not doing this, I'm editing this, and if I'm not editing this, I'm posting something, or I'm doing this or that, or I'm walking around, or I'm taking the trash out. I'm always doing something. The only time I'm not doing something is when we sit down to have dinner. But then when we sit down to have dinner, we eat our dinner and we watch the news. So we're like educating ourselves about what's going on at the same time. I usually get maybe 5 hours of sleep a night. And that's like when I decide I want to like feel like I've well slept. Generally, I get like 4 to 4.5 hours of sleep every night. But I'm used to it. It works for me. So there. 32 minutes after the hour in beautiful downtown Kenmore, Washington. The sun is out, I'm not out in it. I'm stay-at-home dad. Pleasure to meet you. They're gonna have the kids going back to school. They're talking full back to school, other than kids whose parents don't want them to go back to school. Like me. Just not ready for it yet, yeah. And, it sounds like it's just going to be insane, but it's all good. It'll work out. It will work. In 10 seconds, we shall have the noodles. Cha-cha-cha. Oh, you'll see. You're going to see. All right. So, right on my damn foot. Right on my foot. Right right on my foot. That hurt. It really actually did. I'll live. So you boil the noodles. You drain the noodles. You put the noodles back in the pot. That's how you make mee goreng, ladies and gentlemen. If you've never done this, trust me, what you're seeing here has been done in my house probably about 1,000 times. That's pretty easy. Oh no. Here we go. This sticky icky. So there's sweet soy sauce. There's spicy, and then there's seasoned oil in 3 sachets that are definitely gonna get your fingers all sticky and gross. There are other things that are much like this. Pancit Canton from the Philippines. Yes, very identical almost. Then they've got rice noodle versions of that over there, like Pancit Bihun. Not as big of a fan. And then we've got a powder sachet, which includes yet more flavor. This is the same way pretty much all mee goreng brands in Indonesia are prepared. You shush out there! What are you doing making all that noise out there? You're our Miles. Yes, I know your name. I was there. I helped negotiate that name of yours. Alright. Let's give this stuff a try. Look at that. Nice bit of greasiness. Yeah. Cheers. I'm pretty sure I've had this one before. If not, I'll have to get another one so I can actually do a proper review of it. It's good. It's got a bit of a garlic hit to it, which I like, and yeah. Fun, enjoyable, tasty, good. Mee goreng. So you'll see noodles that say blah 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 mee, M-I, M-I-E, or M-E-E. It all means the same. Just like if you see a pack of noodles that says men on it. It's pronounced mein. Like mein, mian, like chow mein, chow mian. Now look at this. My wife got me this green pan, and what's funny about it, on the handle it says green pan. Like if you didn't know already by looking and seeing that it's green. Come on, be all slippery. We were doing it earlier. This egg didn't really work out as well as I hoped it would. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna still use a spatula, even though it's like one of those pans that's like, look, you don't even have to touch it, it like jumps out of the pan. Hey! Oh, it jumped pretty good. Unfortunately, the yolk broke while I was making it. That's a fail. But I've got some chicken that I'm going to nuzzle up to the side. I like that word, nuzzle. It's like a cuddly nozzle. Yeah, you're right. I am just rambling. Sounds like a rambling, insane man. You don't have to get rude. Some pepper flake. And some coriander. Three things that make me nervous is like not having these three things. Yeah, not having these three things makes me nervous. Those three things being coriander, also known in the Western Hemisphere as cilantro, mung bean sprouts, and green onions. Also known as spring onion, also known as scallion, also known as niggy. Hang out right there. Yeah, that egg has seen better days, but I'm sure it tastes pretty darn good. And yeah, I think it's time for Rotato to do its thing. I got 20 minutes left. I'm gonna make it for her schooling and everything. I'm stoked. Well, that's my 3 for today. I hope you enjoyed watching. Give me your thoughts and ideas. Comment below and all that. Yeah, but hey Russia, hey Indonesia, hey Canada, hey everybody everywhere. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. If this is your weekend, enjoy that too. Have a good one. Bye.